I don't know if you can see Daisy, but she's up there on the picnic table. Daisy, fish! Hang on just a second. Red Gummet Blazer. Yeah, that's better. I think she just chased a snake over the edge, but I'm not quite sure. Good girl. What a smart... Come on, let's go. Daisy, let's go. Come on. All right, come here. Sit. Sit down. Look at me. You're the smartest girl I've ever seen. Now get back. Let's go. What a smarty girl. What a smarty. What a smarty.